If you are not a student or not smart, this video is not for you. I hate people who are still working hard without using brain even in this advanced era of technology. Today I will tell you how to pass proctored exam even if you don't have time to study. Let's start with how can I use Chatgpt during a proctored exam? Welcome to Exam Archer, the best online tutor and exam helper. Let's see, how is it possible to cheat during a proctored exam using Chatgpt? As you can see, I am using Chatgpt while my exam is running in the background. I can copy questions and then search for answers using Chatgpt. This is so easy for me, you can do this too. You just need one app to install in your phone or laptop. I will launch this app in your laptop, make some settings, and boom, you are free to do anything while you're proctored exams. Comment Exam Archer in the comment box to get this app. Sometimes using Chatgpt during proctored exam is very easy, but not when the same person using Chatgpt is also doing proctored exam at the same time. Because usually exams have a very short period of time that doesn't allow you to write lengthy question statements and find their answers. So I have the best method to cheat exam using Chatgpt to bypass any kind of online proctored exam. In this secret method, I will control laptop remotely, bypassing proctored exam with the help of my secret software. After the setup is done, apparently student will be sitting in front of the laptop, but my expert team will be the one choosing correct answers for students. We have limited slots, so don't waste time and fill our form given in the description. You will get best service and we take no advance payment. Subscribe to Exam Archer for more insights into acing your academic challenges. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Happy cheating, and I'll see you in the next video.